Hello YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to roll a smoke using a zig-zag roller or some other brand of roller. It's it doesn't take too long, to get the hang of it. And in these trying times, we're all trying to save money, right? So let's do it. All right. So first, I'm going to put a filter in mine. I got these top filters. I've also got some rolling papers. I'm using a bugler, but really any brand will work for this kind of thing. So you got your cigarette roller, right? And it'll probably come all messed up like that. And on the side there's one roller that can be moved downwards. Okay, so you want to do that. Okay, and then you want to press the roller down to make this groove. Okay, so you take your filter and put it in there. Okay, and then you grab your tobacco. And now this is going to be something you got to practice. How much tobacco do I need? You're gonna have to roll a few. Your first few cigarettes are not going to be great. They're going to be either too thin or too fat or whatnot. But once you've done it for a while, I would say within about 10 practice shots, you'll be getting pretty good. All right, so you pack it in there like so. You got your tobacco, you got your filter, right? Okay, and I think it needs a little bit more. Just way off the elet. All right, so we're gonna go with this. All right, so then you bring that roller back up to coincide with the other roller like this. Okay, see that little groove? You brought it back up, you brought it down to load it, bring it back up, and then you roll it towards you. And if it's a little resistant, you just kind of go back and forth, and it'll loosen up. And you're gonna have some extra stuff here, extra tobacco that fell off already. Just knock that off until you can roll it, like so, right? Smooth. Okay, so now you're ready for your paper. And so looking at this, okay, you're gonna put your paper in here with the gum side on this side. All right, so here's my paper. All right, and okay, our gum side is right here. And you remember the position of the roller. You're gonna stick it like so to get it in there. All right, so basically the gum side is facing you, and you're gonna feed it in there going towards you. And feeding it is also a learning curve, a practice thing, but so we got it fed in. Lick the paper, roll it in, and just keep rolling it for a while, a few times. And then again, to get the cigarette out, you bring the roller back out, and then you roll in the reverse direction, and it just pops your cigarette out, and we've got a nice smoke. It's nice and packed, and that comes with a little bit of practice, but not too long, and you're good to go. So it's a cost-effective, economical way to save on tobacco costs, especially in these trying times, if you get your hands on some pipe tobacco, a roller, the papers I showed you, and the filters. All right, Mike signing out. Hope this helps you. It's working for me.